Today we're taking a detailed look at Hellenic Bank and its terms of service. If you're new to banking with Hellenic or just curious about how they operate, you're in the right place. First, we'll start by discussing the key features of their accounts and the fees they charge. Hellenic Bank offers several types of accounts, including current accounts and savings accounts, but each comes with its own set of terms and conditions. It's crucial to know what you're signing up for, especially when it comes to fees. The main advantage of Hellenic Bank is its wide range of services. They provide online banking, mobile banking, and branch services, making it easy for customers to manage their accounts no matter where they are. However, not all of their services are free. For example, ATM withdrawals from other banks come with a fee, and using the bank's own services outside of regular hours can also incur additional costs. Another important feature is Hellenic Bank's international services. They offer competitive rates for foreign transfers, but again, there are fees involved. International wire transfers can cost anywhere from €15 to €35, depending on the amount and destination. This can be a downside for customers who make frequent international transfers, as the costs can add up over time. When it comes to credit cards, Hellenic Bank offers a variety of options, including classic gold and platinum cards. Each card comes with its own terms, annual fees, and interest rates. For example, their classic credit card has an interest rate of around 12.99% annually, which is relatively high compared to some other banks in Cyprus. On the downside, one of the most commonly mentioned complaints from customers is their customer service. While some customers report satisfactory experiences, others have noted slow response times and difficulties getting support for account issues. This is something to consider if you prioritize customer service when choosing a bank. In terms of security, Hellenic Bank provides robust protections for online banking and transactions. They use two-factor authentication and other security measures to ensure your account stays safe. However, it's always a good idea to stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unauthorized activity. Finally, it's important to mention that Hellenic Bank's interest rates on savings accounts are relatively low. You won't see significant growth in your savings from just keeping money in a standard account, so it might be worth considering other investment options if you're looking to earn more from your savings. All in all, Hellenic Bank offers a variety of banking services with reasonable fees, but there are certain costs and customer service issues you should be aware of. If you're looking for a straightforward banking experience in Cyprus, Hellenic Bank could be a solid option, but make sure to review their terms carefully before opening an account. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you found the information helpful.